closed behind you, step through the open gate. No map to tell you where you're going, no reason now to wait. A horse looks up across the field and slowly turns away. You thought that you had come to lead, but something asks you to stay. One step beyond the familiar, one breath beyond control. The trail begins beneath your feet, and somewhere deep below. Walk the trail, let the old world fall behind. The horse won't tell you where to go, but somehow helps you find the place where fear becomes a doorway, where certainty lets go. You cross the line you cannot see, and something starts to grow. Paddock trail keeps winding past shelter, grass and stone. A horse walks quietly beside you, yet you must walk your own. There are no answers in the halter, no wisdom in the rope, only what you bring into the moment and what you're willing to let go. Walk the trail, let the old world fall behind. The horse won't tell you where to go, but somehow helps you find the place where fear becomes a doorway, where certainty lets go. You cross the line you cannot see, and something starts to grow. Somewhere on the journey, the plans no longer work. The person you believed you were can't take you any further. You stop, the horse stops too. No judgment, no demand, just breathing in the silence until you understand. Then slowly you start walking back toward the open gate. The paddock looks the way it did, the world outside still waits. Nothing here is conquered, you know battle has been won. But you return with something you did not have when you begun. Walk the trail, bring the new world back with you. The horse has never given answers, only helped you see what's true. The journey doesn't end here, it travels where you go. You cross the gate into your life, knowing what you know. The horse turns back toward the herd, you turn toward your day. The trail between the worlds remains, waiting when you lose your way.